welcome to Style with Carol, and this is house tour part 2 of the upstairs level that I will be showing you all to get some cool ideas for your own home in implementing decoration styles, all that fun stuff. My channel is focused on style, including fashion, home decoration, lifestyle videos, organization videos, so make sure you consider subscribing if you like those sorts of things. And this is just the view of the downstairs. So if you haven't checked out part 1, make sure you check it out after this video. Now diving right in, we're going to first start with the makeup room, one of my favorite rooms and least shown rooms in my channel, generally because it's a hot mess. I decluttered a few things, but still need to get to the organization of this room. However, I love this stand. It holds all my purses. This is a new find from Amazon. I will make sure to link the description down below. It's my favorite summer vacation purse. And this wooden beam that I got from Michael's to hang all the purses. I have my wedding shoes kind of displayed and out there. Next to like this little cute mirror makeup stand thing. And then on this side I have my wardrobe, which is an IKEA wardrobe. Very basic, but to kind of dress it up, I put some decals on it to make it seem more fun, cute, girly. And I think it went well with this room because this room is a very girly room and it's kind of like my oasis. This mirror thing that matches the wardrobe is actually used to house all the jewelry that I don't have. As you can see, it's very minimal and I really need to start using this more often to put in all my accessories. The problem is they're in like my travel bags and stuff like that. So here's a view of my dream board that I made myself. Very proud of it. Unfortunately, 2020 did not play out the way that I wanted it to be in terms of actually traveling and things like that. So I feel like I need to really redo 2020. Comment down below if you're with me on that. Moving on to the bathroom, which is right near the makeup room, which is perfect because I can just like use this area to wash my brushes and all that fun stuff. If you're looking for these types of soap sets, I'd highly encourage going to your local Home Goods. You can generally can find cute sets that will match your bathroom. Now this is Snowflake's room. Clearly he looks passed out and this is a very not used room. It's usually just for like guests that are just like crashing the night like Snowflake. That's my hubby won this for me when we went to Ocean City a few years ago, but it's our favorite, so now we call it the Snowflake room. But this room is minimal. I just put this pretty painting, kept it very in line with like the wall colors in terms of using that similar blue. Moving towards the Jack and Jill bathroom that is shared between the two guests in the two guest bedrooms. I made sure to kind of have like everything a little organized, like travel essentials and things like that. And there's more stuff in the bottom that's kind of house all the travel materials. Make sure you check out my in-depth video on how to decorate your guest bedroom and make it very functional. This lamp here is like one of my favorites. The hubby actually had this whole set before he met me. His mom definitely had good taste, but I like to stick to the traditional style of the guest bedroom. And I centered this wall art piece right into the middle. It just complemented the room very well. This room is probably my most favorite room because it has the best view in the house with checking out the lake from one side to the other side. Very nice view. It's just a very great area that anyone would love, I think. And I kept the area, try to keep it clean. My new addition is the 24/7 laundry room service. I put it out instead of the inside area just to make sure that guests know that, laundry is available. If they have dirty clothes, I can just easily put it in the laundry for them. Now going to the most used part of the house and just glimpsing over the bottom part. I love the wooden beams, the fan, and we actually added a extra light to it, which was great, very useful. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Bruno's room. Let's back up a little and actually show you kind of the whole glimpse of the room, because it is very spacious, and the way we kept it spacious is to really be minimal in our furniture. So you can see this little fireplace area, and right above it is the TV that we hardly get time to use, to be honest. We're just so exhausted by the end of the day. And you can also see the lake, but it's not as great of a view as the guest bedroom, which is okay because, I mean, you can see the view from the basement, or not the basement, the first level, main bedroom, main floor. So we don't really need to see that view all the time. And the Z Gallery inspired makeover for this bedroom. Also did a video on that. I tell you, I have so many videos on just everything home related. Oh, I love this personalized glass pen little showcase. And now moving on to the bed. This bedroom, which I just noticed is, I was so tired this morning to make the bed that I didn't make it right, but that's why I encourage you to look at the actual master bedroom video, because you can actually see how I got this whole bedding set, and not just got it, but styled the bed. Now going on this side, we have like a little she shell kind of storage area there. Lamps that are matching on the both ends. This little floral area, and to keep it not completely symmetrical, but in line with the other side, I made sure to add another greenery area that has a glimpse of gold in the vase, and then Our Love, that's kind of like shadow boxes, the Z Gallery art painting. Oh, by the way, have you all read Hidden Figures? This is my latest book read that I read at night, so I'm just keep it on the side. Need to finish it. So far, it's so good. Comment down below if there's any books you all recommend that you think I would enjoy. Definitely link it below. Now, going to the dressing table area. Again, simple, not too cluttered. The artwork over on the top is gold and silver, so I tried to implement gold and silver into the bedroom, and those were like the first pieces that really played out to how this room kind of turned out in terms of color scheme. Lastly, the master bathroom. Very nice bamboo, I guess it's like a bath set that I bought or purchased from Amazon. I will also try to find it and link something at least similar to it, because I don't know if it's still available, but it was really nice. The hubby got these flowers that, I mean, it was beautiful. They last like forever, I think. Clearly, this is Carol's side of the bathroom, and on the other side is the upstairs side, which surprisingly is a lot more cluttered than my side. The key to a happy marriage, his and her own toothpaste, especially if your vanity is separating and you have two different sinks. It just makes everything so much more easier. Now I'm showing you guys literally everything, even the toilet. And here's where I house the, like, I don't know, feminine / hygiene items. Right here, I love that they have this functional space that's like right in the toilet, because you always forget when you're in the toilet that you ran out of toilet paper. Bless your heart if you saw all the way till the end of this video, because I did a lot of talking, but I really hoped that you found value in this video and that you get styling in your own home.